So like in the Christian Bible, it says some saints have seen God. Like God is like a big flame, right? Big light, or like a white dove that descends from heaven. And God spoke in the sound, like the sound of thunder, like the sound of many waters. And then it says, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. And everything was created by this Word, and nothing that was created that is not from this Word. Now, what is this Word? This is the sound that I have just mentioned, the noiseless sound, the vibration, the sound of God, the sound of thunder, the sound like many thousand waters. This we can hear through proper guidance. And this flame, God appear like flame, God appear like light. This we can see through proper guidance. And this we want to offer to the serious seekers after the truth, to the one who would like to devote his meaningful life to God, to seek the kingdom of God which is within himself, according to Bible statement.